Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Firstly, go into settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose security. Now click on face unlock section under fingerprint and enter your current screen lock. In order to continue, you need to choose setup twice at the bottom right corner after reading the disclaimer and instructions. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the steps presented on your screen. Now you need to click on those switches next to those two features to switch them on or off, and when you're ready, select next. Then click on done, and now when I go back, turn off my screen, turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!